Okay, so you can see about Dlytica Academy, right? So Dlytica Academy is from Dlytica, okay? So if you go and see, maybe you have already visited the website. It's an IT company, and regarding what it does, what are its products, services, clients, everything, you can find it in Dlytica page as well, okay? So our office is at Canada head office, and we are also here at Nepal, Middle East, New York. Our office is at Naksal, okay? So we have employees, full-time people also working from Team Nepal, okay? So talking about Dlytica Academy, here at Dlytica Academy, we are pioneering practical data and AI education from IT industry experts, okay? So basically, we try to know your background. So since you have filled the form as well, right? We try to know your background, like what you are interested in, what are you currently doing, okay? So a lot of people, what we find is, and which is our objective is, to provide internship opportunities as well in this field, okay? Because they have it in their requirement. Some of the students, who are undergraduate, they also have it in their work, college requirement, and some people are wanting to know, what are the scopes in this field, right? So they want to start from training. So some people want to switch their career to data and AI, right? And some people also wants to gain some work experience, maybe why not from internship, and also, and maybe get placed with us or with our partner companies. And that is also what our objective is, okay? So I will share about that as well. So, Delightica Academy is dedicated to bridging the gap between theoretical knowledge and hands-on expertise in data science, data engineering, and data analytics. Okay, so here we start from training. We have courses, modules, and we provide this training. Okay, and also we have internship opportunities, and also after internship, also we are doing this resource. We are generating this pool of resource where we can even hire our own resource. Okay, our trained resource. Okay, so now how we do this training is we also have alumni who have already done this training course and internship. Okay, so we conduct in batch wise. Okay, where there are limited people doing this training course and internship. Okay, so our primary goal of Delightic Academy is to equip corporate teams, students, and AI professional and comprehensive knowledge and hands-on expertise in big data, AI, and cloud technologies. Okay, which includes mastering tools, developing troubleshooting skills, and fostering a mindset of continuous innovation. Okay, so not only to students, not only to corporate teams, but also people who are professionally already engaged from somewhere, but they want to do this training, right? Because that will definitely add value to their CVs, their work experience, right? So our main focus is industry-based training because, as I mentioned, this is not a training institution but an IT company itself. So the training that is provided to you will be industry-based, okay? And also we have strong partnerships with our clients, with our partnership institutions, where we provide this trained and certified resources to them, okay? And also we have career guidance, like a lot of people, we got to hear that they want to switch their career but they don't know what field they should work, like what are the market scenario, what are the industry requirements, right? What are the opportunities in data and AI? So we help you with that, okay? And definitely with our global presence, since it's an IT company from Canada, you will be experience, you'll be getting experience and exposure of Canadian IT company, and as well as we have students or people doing training from all over the places. Like it's not limited to only Nepal. Okay, so that is what our key focus is on. Okay, so by seeing in this roadmap, which is a big roadmap, okay, of Delightica Academy, where you can see we start from training. We also have certification after training, right? And the internship of which you will be there, will give you definitely the Canadian experience, right? So also when you land up in the job, definitely we give you the prioritize, we give you the opportunities of, even landing in the in-house Delightica job or our partners or our referrals. Okay. So why we start from training is definitely as an industry, we will, see a certified and trained candidates, right? Because a lot of you are also asking like, why not only can I get internship opportunities? Okay, so in our certain roadmap, if you are enrolling, we have internship opportunities in our training itself. Okay, so that is why you can start from training, and you will be also certified, right? And also included in the internship one project. And after that also, if you want to continue, or if we will also see like how your training goes, because as an industry, all that matters is also a trained and certified candidate. And if we are hiring any people for internship, we need to train him or her for 4 months, right? So it's all about this roadmap. Okay. uh, from training journey to job journey as well. Okay. um, so next thing is our key courses, what we offer. So as you have already seen it in the website and you have also filled the form, right? We have three expertise field, which is data analytics, data science, and data engineering. Okay. And regarding the roadmap and the course content, what are the timings and what are the contents that I get to learn, everything we will be sending you in your email. Okay. After the screening, so you can review that. Okay, you can see like what will be happening in first month, what will be happening in the second month, right? In the data analytics, or in the second month of data science, or in the second month of data engineering. So we have total of 4 months of training as well. Okay, so I will share about that in a while. So talking about our tutors, we have the people who are well experienced in the industry. So our tutors or your instructors will be from the industry, okay, who are well experienced and who are already working as a data scientist, data engineers in the industry itself, okay. So there are a few more other tutors as well. So talking about the alumni that we have, definitely there are a lot of success stories where we have placed, our own trained and certified candidate in our academy, because that is our ultimate goal, okay, to bring a pool of resource where we can, hire them as well, where we can even provide our client, because there are people who are working with us and they want, the data engineers, data scientists, and they are requiring like a trained and certified candidates, right? So we also provide them with, the resource pool whom we have created as a trained and certified candidate. Okay. So if you want to know more reviews, or how the training course and internship was at Dlytica, the overall training period, everything, you can also visit the website and see the testimonials, reviews, everything. Okay. So talking about our partners, you can see here our cloud partners, our consulting partners, our community partners. Okay. So talking about this academic partners, so as I mentioned, we are also we are also associated with educational institutions, okay, like Sunway, Cooper College of Engineering, IIMS College, where, we are also providing this, workshops, the boot camps, data boot camps to the students, where, there are a lot of students, okay. So we provided to them like a 2 days or 3 days of training course and internship to them. So it's not like the overall training course and internship, but it's like a boot camp and webinars, seminars for them. Okay. But this personalized, training, if they would like to join, then they can continue from Delightica Academy, which will be of 1 month or 4 month. Okay. So overall, these three. So overall, these three talking about these three institutions that we are also currently working. So these are for a lot of students, okay, and so there will be the interested students who wants to, who are not aware of these fields and they want to pursue their career, right? So we help them in, such way where, they will be also gaining internship experience, and also, from that pool of resource also we can hire or provide it to our reference. Okay. So yeah, you can also check the programs that we have conducted with them in LinkedIn's. Okay. So we also have our technical clients, which you can see, okay, which Dlytica is working with, okay. So some of the trained and certified candidate from Dlytica Academy training course and internship also works at Ansel, Dlytica itself, Citizen Banks, Polaris, Orido Chain, okay. So you can see like that. So at Dlytica Academy, we are, backed by Dlytica Academy with trained resources ready for deployment. Okay, so we have our talent pool who are ready, available to activate for any project requirement. Okay, so that is the main objective what we create. Okay, so how the people are trained is each resource has been thoroughly trained with real-time project, ensuring readiness for deployment across a variety of tasks. Okay, so you can see in the course content what you will be going through, the projects, weekly projects, monthly projects, the contents, everything that you firstly have to go through the course content as well. Okay, and also check that out. So the main thing that the question arises like how this training is conducted. Okay, so all the training sessions are conducted online with live classes. Okay, so there will be real time interaction, questions, and discussion. Okay, it creates a more engaging and personalized learning experience compared to pre-recorded session. Okay, so some of you also ask like if the sessions are recorded because they want the live session, right? So it is conducted online, but all the session will be live and they will be also recorded. Like sometime if you miss the classes, then you will also be getting the recordings. Okay. So our duration for the training is 1 month and 4 month. Okay, we have two pathways which I will share in a while. Okay, so there will be class assignments, real world projects, okay, and all the classes will be of 1.5 hours, okay. So there will be two classes a week, and right now we have evening sessions, okay. So yeah, that is how the training class is conducted. So one of the question that a lot of people ask, is there a job guaranteed if I enroll in this 4 month training plus internship program? Okay. So as I mentioned, like we are not providing with like 100% job placement, okay, because we are not this training institution, okay, we are an industry, but definitely it also depends on you how you perform the training program, right? So there will be in-house job vacancy as well, but based on your performance, your regular attendance, assignments, interviews, you may consider for a job openings at Dlytica, okay? And definitely you will be also getting Canadian experience, okay, with the industry experts itself, okay? So they will be they have a real industry experience and they will be teaching you at an IT registered under the Ontario government in Canada. Okay, so you can also research about the company itself first. Okay, so we also provide referral letters, job application supports through our recruitment partner companies. So right now also we have our clients, they have also been sending us the requirements of the trained and certified people, right? So it's not only like, since I said that we have limited people, like in this every batch we conduct like 15, 16 people, okay? So it's not like all the 15, 16 people are ready and they are available for the job. It won't be like that, right? Some of them will be students, some of them are undergraduate, some of them are, still working in another company doing a full-time role, right? Some of them are not ready for the job, right? Some of them are in the training phase, but they don't want to join the job right now. So there will be many cases, okay? But at the moment of, reference or support or through our recruitment partner or companies, if you are available and if you want that opportunities, then we will be giving the priority to our academic students, okay? So there are additional support as well, because as I mentioned, there will be people who wants to switch their career and who might not be, good at grabbing the things. Then we also have our tutor assistants who are will is available from Monday to Friday, okay, 4 to 6 Nepal time, and they will support you with your task, platforms, assignments, either one-on-one or in a group, okay. So our class timings will be 8:15 to 9:45 p.m., which will be students, both students and working professionals to join. Okay, so these are the timings, and if you are from any places, you can just convert the timings and you can join it by online. Okay, so there will be 2 days a week, and it will be a 1.5 hour session. Okay. So, do you have any questions before this? Whatever I explained, you can ask me any question if you like to. Okay, and we will move on to the more pricing sections and any of your queries. Okay. Yeah, please, Rojesh, can you ask? You can ask me
Yeah,
question.
yeah. Yeah, regarding the attendance, so I
Mhm.
am a bachelor running student, so there might be some exams and some
Okay.
activities in the college which I should not miss. In that scenario, will the leave be approved?
Uh, so since you are doing this training course and internship, right? So there might be times where you won't be able to join at all, okay, right? So you can definitely inform the team, you can inform your instructor, or you can inform to your tutor assistants, okay, or anybody from who are in the management side of the academy. And we will try to also, we'll also try to make it feasible for you. But what we suggest you is to join the live sessions, right? But sometimes if you miss, you will definitely get recordings, resources, contents, everything, okay, on the next day already, okay? And you can, so that you can, go up with the next classes, coming classes, okay, upcoming classes. But if you have like a certain weeks or, such kind of leaves, then it might interrupt the whole batch as well. That's why we have to manage that. But definitely, after the first month, if you want to take some break and if you want to join next time, then we might have to consider that as well. But it might take some time, okay, because to start our new batch and again to enroll you in the another batch, so that will be quite hectic. But that can be managed as per the situation, okay. So yeah, that might be considered, but we also need to check with the situation and also get approval from the management side. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I think there won't be such scenarios, right? But still.
Yeah, okay, okay.